The New Life of Amber Heard. The actress Amber Heard and the actor Johnny Depp shared their lives for almost 3 years in a turbulent couple that could manage to speak. These well-known people coincided with an impending shooting on a set, putting a stop to their passions before becoming the subject of accusations and court filings for domestic violence and sexual abuse. The interpreters experienced periods of diminished clarity throughout their time together due to the consumption of drugs, alcohol, and other substances. As a result, fights occurred at events and in the owner's home, forcing security forces to be present. They ultimately decided to continue on separate pathways. Without first coming up publicly and going before the authorities, with all kinds of accusations, which led to an unprecedented court battle. Heard was the first to bring Depp's case before the law. She claimed that Depp destroyed her life and that she was the victim of his violent and sexually abusive raptures on more than one occasion. Prior to that, she requested in court that he not look her in the eye and called her ex-lovers to give testimony. Winona Ryder and Kate Moss were contacted to share their memories of the years they spent with Depp. Without attempting to discredit him, the women only had kind words to say about the Hollywood Vampires singer who also had the judge's approval at this time. He also called his doctor, who informed him of the palliations and cuts Heard had caused while they were together. At the time of the sentence, she was required to defend him and retract her statements. Heard made the decision to look for a new way to appeal so he wouldn't have to pay the amount and would instead leave it in the bank. He added that the juries were erroneous. Recently, the actress made the decision to leave her life behind and set out for the old continent. Se established with his current girlfriend in Castex, a Spanish tourist hub with a small population that is close to the coast. It is important to note that Heard decided to become a mother in recent years through the process of bird subrogation, and as a result, the arrival of Oana Page, who is 2 years old, was lost. The family's current residence is none other than that of Mara Marta, a politician in Spain who is currently on trial for corruption and will soon complete a 40-year sentence. As a result, the rent is a pittance for this actress who today has chosen to live outside of the judicial system's pressures and its debts. We recall that she was required to reimburse Depp for a sum that she was unable to pay. When it came to negotiating the possibility of walking back his remarks and retraction of the accusations. However, in the end, she declined this offer, so she will have to go to work tomorrow with the appropriate payments. Even the name was changed to avoid raising suspicions, and she is now known as Martha Jane Canary, a famous figure from the late 1800s. It's important to remember that Heard was ordered to pay her ex-boyfriend $500,000 for compensatory and punitive damages.